Hello, Angela here. Welcome back to my channel. Man, it's been a minute since I've done a video. Yeah, it's been a minute. And here we are, first day of Vlogmas. If you're new here, my name is Angela. I lost 200 pounds, fell in love with running. Now I'm trying to live the healthiest life I possibly can while being a mom. Like I said, first day of Vlogmas. I'm attempting to do Vlogmas because I really need to. Just need to get back into the swing of things. I haven't had a normal month in a long time. October was extremely busy. November was filled with sickness and then like completely busy, and here we are on December 1st. And now I have to go to the school because I have some PTA things to do. So this is where a bulk of my day is going to be, is doing this PTA stuff, but I can't really show it because I'm going to be at the school, but I'm delivering snack packs today. So very, very interesting day, but I wanted to go ahead and open up my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed Vlogmas, and later on in the video, I'll tell you kind of the things that I have planned for Vlogmas and how I'm going to go about it. Like, completing Vlogmas to me this year is very, very important. So you gotta set goals, right? Anyway, I gotta go. Bye.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
All right, yeah, I just put my pajamas on. I just got home from school. I don't remember what time. It's 3:45. So I was there from, I don't know. I've basically been doing PTA stuff from 10 to now. And I have actually more things that I need to do, but I just need a moment. And these are the last few moments that I have. I also have not eaten lunch, so thank goodness for a little meal prep that I did at the beginning of the week. It's just been a very, very hellish week. But I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna relax. And this is what my day is. Man, let's just give thanks to teachers. Like, teachers work so hard and they spend more time with our kids than we actually do. And sometimes the job is hard. So let's just always keep that in mind. I always tell a teacher or administrative staff or whatever, just stop and say thank you and we appreciate you. It's just important. All right. Turkey spaghetti. I couldn't remember what it was for a minute. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna probably been rewatching Bosch, so I'm going to watch that and I'm gonna chill out and then I'll get back to you. Not a very exciting day, but it is what it is.
3 hours later.
People are all super nice about. Okay, look, I got our new advent calendar.
Ah! Hello!
Okay, move out of the way before you get sliced in the eye.
I don't want to get sliced in the eye.
Yeah. Nobody wants to see that on YouTube. Alright, so are you excited to see our new calendar?
Yes. Ooh.
It may not be as exciting for you as it is for me. Last year we got one, but
did not work.
No.
There was an LOL calendar.
Yes, so this year we're getting something different.
I wonder what.
It's more family oriented.
I wonder what is it.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Here it is. 1, 2, 3.
A Star Wars calendar?
Yes.
I want that so long.
We have a Star Wars what's it called? Funko? Is that what it's called, Willie?
I don't know.
Willie. Okay. He's not even listening to me. I'm just over here talking to myself. Oh, look, it's got like all of the stuff in here. Look at this stuff. Han Solo, Stormtroopers. So, do you think that this is old school Star Wars? Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and open up the first one. How fitting that my calendar came on the first day of Vlogmas. Alright. I'm opening up number 1. I can't get it open.
Wait. Did you give it to me? Number 1. Can we open up the second?
No, we open up the second tomorrow. Alright, so what do we got here? Individually wrapped. Alright, we have, oh look, it's a little R2-D2.
It looks like mine.
With the horns, or with the reindeer ears.
Mommy, watch
Why is
out.
this not focusing? There we go. It's not focusing. It's not focusing. There we go. R2-D2 with reindeer ears. Yes. So, alright. I'm glad that everybody else was so excited about that like me.
I was.
It's a shame.
Mommy!
Awfully close. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's 8:20 and I've already been asleep, so hey, I've failed here at this video. But this is what day 1 of Vlogmas was. I'm so tired. I came home and I went to sleep. Lily had to wake me up, and then we went to the UPS store to get the packages. And I don't even feel like unboxing those. So I did open up the advent calendar. I'll have to do the other stuff. But for right now, I'm tired. And I don't have any more else to get. So day 1 of Vlogmas in the books. Here comes the child. We're going to bed. Peace out.
Wait!